Hi and welcome to my new YouTube channel. I'm David Melrose and you'll be watching Melrose Media. So what's Melrose Media all about? Well, I have many interests in life and many hobbies. The advice for new YouTubers is to niche down. Unfortunately, I find that extremely difficult as I've got too many hobbies and interests. So I plan to speak about all of them. That's from photography, art, which is painting, oils and watercolour, model railways, IT, programming, self-help and many other topics that I'm interested in. So hopefully you'll find something useful to yourself if you watch, and let's see where we go in this journey.